Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. When I completed my first draft of the book that is currently going through editing, I had the opportunity to have the first few pages reviewed by a literary agent. One of the things she said to me was, "You're very good at writing dialogue that sounds natural, but you're overusing dialogue tags." Dialogue tags indicate the action of uttering the words that are within the quotation marks. A lot of fiction writers fall into the trap of using different tags for every line of speech because we want to avoid repetition. We don't want to have he said, she said on every line. So we start to get fancy by using words like mumbled, screeched, muttered, and if we're not careful, our dialogue becomes cluttered. There are ways to avoid this. If there are two people speaking, once the order of speech has been established, you can leave out the tags entirely. So here, Cynthia speaks first, followed by Cass. We know that they speak in turns, that's how dialogue works. And you would only need to use a dialogue tag if someone shouts or whispers or does anything other than normal speech. You can also replace dialogue tags with actions. Now this tells us that Andrew is the one talking, and it tells us that his voice is likely to be raised. We can infer the tone from the action. No one uses a conversational tone if they're throwing objects that are not meant to be thrown. And finally, if you have to use dialogue tags for clarity, for instance, if you have more than two people in the conversation, said is fine. It may seem repetitive to you, the writer, but honestly, most readers won't even notice. The word serves its purpose, which is to tell the reader who is speaking. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.